Hi, this is Vishal here from Trapper. So in this video we will see how to limit the number of records which you can display in data table, in data group or data list, right? So you can have thousands of records, you want to show them in a paginated way, like maybe 10 records or 100 records at a time. So let's see how that can be done. Okay. So I have a collection called product and it has a couple of records, and then it has like 4 fields: name, manufacturing date, status, and a description. Right, so I have created a page which is displaying name, description, and manufacturing date. That's all, right? So let's go and see how this looks like. By default in the project we have this configuration that it displays 10 records at a time. So if you see, these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 records, right? And there's a pagination. If you go to next, it is showing the next 2 records, right? Previous, it will go back to previous page like this. First page, next page, previous page, and last page. Last page will take you to the last page. Now let's say instead of 10 I want to show maybe some different quantity, maybe 50, maybe 100, or maybe 5. How do I do it? So go to the settings of this data table, and from the setting you see records per page. This is basically what it controls, the number of records you can display per page. So instead of 10, let's say I want to display 5. Okay, and then I save it. Let's reload the page again. Okay, so now you are saying now it is displaying 5 records, and I will say next 5 and next 2. Since we have 12 products, 5, 5 and 2. Okay, so this is how you display. Let's say I want to display 2 records. Instead of 5 I'll say 2, or let's say 3. Save it, reload the page again. Now it is displaying me just 3 products: 3, next 3, next 3, and the next 3, 12. So this is basically how you control the number of records which you display in the data table. Similarly for data group. So let's go to the component, drop the component, let's say from product. Okay, all items, all products, and by default 10. Let's remove this card and put some other card. Okay, so let's display this card. Okay, let's remove this card. So here I'll say bring data from product, display the product name. That's a description. Manufacturing date. Okay, so now this will display 10 products. So if you see, it is displaying cards. Displaying 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 10 cards. Let's say I want to display less. I go to the data group. Do the same thing again. So let's say instead of 10, I want to display 3 at a time. Okay, and I'll just go and save the settings. So this image it picks randomly, so don't worry about it. So you see, now it is showing me 3 records. If I say load more, it will bring another 3. If I say load more, it will bring another 3. If I say load more, it will bring another 3. And now the button is disabled because you don't have any more cards. Similarly, you can load 6 at a time. You can reduce this size to, let's say, maybe instead of column 3, let's say, instead of column 4, I'll say col 3. So now it will have 4 records in each row. So this is like a container layout. So it is showing 3, then I'll say load more, then another 3, I'll say load more, another 3, I'll say load more, another 3. So this is basically how you bring a paginated result. Limit the number of records. You can bring 100 at a time, 200 at a time, which always makes sense to bring the records which fix your viewport. So basically which occupies your viewport, and then bring as user proceed, right? So this is how you basically limit the number of records and do a pagination. Hope this is clear now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.